How many of you have been on an aircraft or flight where the stewardess requested that you switch off your phones when landing? It is a protocol needed to prevent your cell phone device from receiving signals that cause distress and interference with the airplane's communications. Therefore, smartphone developers innovated and added a unique feature for you to turn off all your wireless communication while your phone remains open. It is a setting featured on smartphones and other portable gadgets. These include Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and cellular data connection. Additionally, this feature can be helpful when resetting the network frequency of your device's network coverage, cellular data, and connection. However, in some recent days, users of the iPhone devices have consistently shown the airplane mode on even though they did not activate the feature. You can follow this video tutorial to learn how to fix your device ultimately. Ace Thinker iOS System Recovery is a prominent computer application that can fix iOS devices with software issues. This application can provide useful firmware to organize your iOS system and bring it back to how it operates. It uses two modes to recover your iPhone. These are Advanced Mode and Standard Mode. These two provide files and installers to upgrade, downgrade, and fix iOS devices. You can look at the next scene on how to use this application. The initial guide on fixing your iOS device is to get the Ace Thinker iOS System Recovery on your computer. You can access its web page by accessing the download page on your web browsers. Hit the free download to get the firmware. Run the file on your computer to install the tool. Connect your iPhone device to your computer using a lightning wire. Then, launch the tool on your PC and analyze your iPhone device. Hit the Fix option to pass through to the next solution. Next, select a recommended recovery method according to your iPhone issue. For an iPhone stuck in airplane mode, select the Standard mode. You can also use Advanced mode if you need to reset the settings of your device. Hit the Confirm option to save the selection. For the finale, you need to select the firmware to fix the issue. You can get the latest iOS update by choosing the newest firmware from the list. Then, tap the download option to get it, and run the file by clicking the next option.